Welcome to this Odoo lesson. On this video, I'll show you how to allow several payment methods on your website. On the internet, there are many payment methods, and if I only have one of them set up for Stealthy Wood, some customers may be reluctant or unable to proceed to the payment, directly causing a decrease in our sales. Providing more payment methods to purchase my goods will reduce potential bottlenecks by making it easy to finish the checkout process. It might even attract new customers that are looking for a specific payment method, a crucial part of my future success. So let's see how to add payment acquirers like PayPal, Stripe, or Ingenico. All right, so here I am on my main dashboard for my company, Stealthy Wood. Now, of course, I want to sell my products and use different payment acquirers, so I'm going to need to install a new application, Invoicing. I've already done this, and I installed it by going to the Apps module right here. So once I have this installed, I can go ahead and enter my payment acquirers page, which I can get to through the Invoicing application, or I can go to Website, Configuration, Payment Acquirers right here. From this page, I can go ahead, install, configure, and activate my payment acquirers. To install, it's quite simple. You simply have to click on the Install button that's related to the payment acquirer that you would like to use. And then we can configure and activate. So let's choose a payment acquirer that I've already installed, in this case, Stripe. So I'm going to select this. Now, the first thing I'm going to see is, of course, to add my credentials. I need credentials that are related to Stripe to have successful payment transactions, and I will get those credentials from the Stripe website. Okay, so you don't get the credentials through Odoo, you get them through the payment acquirer website. All right, so I've already entered some credentials here. And these are test credentials, which I'm going to use in a test environment. If I was going into the production environment, I would need production credentials. So now that we have those saved, let's go ahead and go to our Messages tab. Okay, and we have different messages depending on the stage of the payment. So we have a thanks message, pending, done, cancel, and an error message. These we can modify to our business's needs. So let's go ahead and edit this. Okay, and we can start customizing easily right away. So I can add text, and I have the text tools at the top right here. So that's super easy and convenient. Now that our messages look good, let's move on to the configuration tab. So here we have several options. Of course, we have a payment journal. Once I installed Stripe, it automatically created a payment journal that's specific to Stripe. However, I can change this right here if I would like to. Okay, I can also say I would like to use Stripe for specific countries. So perhaps I would like my US customers to use Stripe, but not my European customers. I want my European customers to use a different payment acquirer. I can specify that right here. But I'm going to unselect that because it does not fit Stealthy Wood's needs. We also have some supported payment icons, which we can add and remove. As simple as that. Okay. And we can either pay from Odoo, so from our website on our Odoo database, or we can redirect to the acquirer website. So if we make the payment from Odoo, credit card information can be automatically saved if your customer has a portal on the website. If we redirect to the acquirer website, we can choose if we would like to save the cards, always, never, or if we want the customer to decide. And we also have a checkout image URL that we can add as well. So I'm going to make the payment from Odoo. So let's go ahead and save this. And let's purchase an item from our website to see what it looks like when we pay with Stripe. But in order to be able to pay from Stripe, what we need to do is publish this payment acquirer on our website by clicking on this button right here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and enter the website. Okay, we're going to go to website. And then once I'm on my website, I'm going to go to my eShop and choose an item. I already have one in my cart, but let's go ahead and add another one. Okay, so I'm going to add a floor protection. Okay, add this to my cart. And once I've done that, I'm going to process my payment and checkout with Stripe. Okay, here we go, process checkout. I'm going to select the free delivery charges because I think that's a better deal than paying for delivery. And of course, I have my default wire transfer here. I can unpublish this if I would like to from that same page that we were just on with the payment acquirers. But I will pay with Stripe. And since I am paying for my Odoo website, I enter my card information right here. So I'm going to use a test card. Okay, I'm going to say test here. Add an expiration date. And then I'll pay now. Okay, of course, the payment needs to process. And once it has, I will be redirected to an order confirmation page. Okay, and we're going to see that right here. And I know that I have order number 27. And if I have the portal, let's go ahead and go to my account. I can see that sales order from my portal super easily. Okay, so we'll click on our sales orders, and I have number 27 right here. So as you can see, it's really easy to install and activate payment acquirers and complete the whole flow by purchasing a product and using that payment acquirer. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.